Hi and welcome back to my channel. My name is Erica. Today we are releasing the September Quilty and Stitchy House of the Month. So if you've been following along, you know that each month we're doing a different house block. We are on September's block. They released the 15th of the month prior. If you want information on any of the previous months, you can definitely head over to my store at store.confessionsofahomeschooler.com. If you search House of the Month, they should all pull up for you. They are currently only releasing individually. Once all the houses are released, I will bundle them up. We will be releasing them as a PDF bundle and as a print bundle. So if you want to wait till the end to get all of those, they will be discounted a little bit from buying them individually, but you can also get the individual PDF patterns now. Okay, let's go ahead and dive right into September. So here's what the September house looks like. As usual, it is stitched on the same fabric as all the previous houses, Witcheled Beautiful Beige 14 count Aida. I stitched them all with DMC floss, and all that information is available in the pattern. I do finish them on 2 pieces of sticky board. So I put stitching on one piece and then I put a coordinating fabric on the other piece. And then on the back, I put some washers, and then those can just go right on to the magnets that are on my cute little paddle board, and I can just easily swap out my designs each month. So super easy. This paddle is about a 5x7 paddle, and it is from Hobby Lobby. And here is the item number in case you're interested. And then the other little embellishment that I'm putting on these this year is this white rickrack just around the edge. You can barely see it on this one. It's Lori Holt's Cloud Vintage Trim 1/4 inch rickrack. And it's kind of hard to see. I think if I had to do it over, I might have got her 1/2 inch one so that it would just stick out a little bit better. And then of course you could also put a little embellishment up here, put a magnet, and then you could swap out bows each month too, which I think would be really cute. So that is the September Stitchy house. And just for fun, I thought I would show you last year's September Stitchy Truck of the Month. These are all available in my shop as well. And because this was last year's series, you can get the whole bundle together now in print or in PDF. So the Stitchy Truck of the Month and the Stitchy House of the Month. Okay, let's move into the quilt version because I think it's so much fun. So here is our September house of the month. And for this one, I used Fig Tree's Fruit Cocktail line. I also threw in some from some of her older lines, like her stitched line, I think is that darker brown that you see there. So lots of fun. The house has a little pinwheel feature above the door and window. And then of course we've got the sunflower over on the side of the house. And then here are our letters on the bottom. And my kids said they weren't sure about the cherry fabric because Fruit Cocktail is a more summery line than a fall line. I kind of liked the addition of the aqua, so let me know what you think in the comments below. I did have some darker or kind of more muted aquas that I could have put in there. I like the combination of aqua, green, and brown together. And so I could have done that, so maybe if I had to redo it, I would, but I actually kind of like how it turned out. For the backing on this, I used a background print from Lori Holt's Bee Backgrounds, so I think you can still get this. And then on the label on the back, I have this little personalized label. This is from Ever Emblem on Etsy, and she's got a couple different kinds. I just got the kind where you fold it in half and add it to the binding, but I believe she also sells them where they're flat and you can iron them on and then or stitch them on or however you want. So super cute. I will try and link her store below, but you can search Ever Emblem on Etsy, and she does a different variety of labels. And then for the binding, I did this cute green binding, and then I also did a leaf quilting. I did put this on my long arm, but here you can see the little leaves, and I just did some swirls, and then whenever I felt like it, I threw in a leaf. So this one was a lot of fun to quilt. And then just for fun, I thought I would show last year's Truck of the Month, September Truck of the Month. This one was really cute. This was also Fig Tree. They do great fall fabrics, I find. So I think this was from their farmhouse line. I don't believe you can get it anymore, but I did just want to show it to you because it's just a lot of fun. And I love that little vintage truck with the sunflower in the back. All right, that's it for our September Stitchy and Quilty House of the Month. I hope you are enjoying these. As always, you can get the patterns in my store at store.confessionsofahomeschooler.com. I will also put it right here, and you can search for September or September House of the Month and find all of those patterns there. That's going to be it for today's video. If you are making and sewing along with us with our Stitchy or Quilty House of the Month, make sure to share it on social media so I can see what you're making. We're using hashtag Quilty House of the Month and hashtag Stitchy House of the Month. You can also tag me at Erica Arndt on Instagram Instagram and Confessions of a Homeschooler on Facebook. I also have a Sew With Me group on Facebook that a lot of people are putting those in. They're for the Sew With Me blocks, but now I'm thinking maybe I need to put our like of the month group so everybody can put those projects in there as well. So let me know in the comments below if you think we should start up another group just for our trucks and houses and pillows of the month. All right, so that's going to be it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to subscribe to my channel. That really helps me out. You can also hit the like button on this video, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any upcoming fun. Thanks so much for joining me today, and I will see you next time. Hi and welcome back to my channel. My name is Erica. Today I'm introducing you our September Stitchy and Quilty House of the Month. Introducing you. All right, and that's it for our September Quilty and Stitchy House of the Month. I also have a Sew With Me group, and I'm thinking about starting a cross stitch group or a House of the Month group.